Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here let's scroll down in order to find this apps section and tap on manage apps. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. As you can see, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, etc. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this HUAWEI device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.